So you go to do your laundry and this is what happens. Either you push the button and as soon as you let go the dryer stops, or you push the button and it just buzzes. Something along those lines. The stupid thing won't start, you don't know why. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Since I heard the motor spinning, but I did not see the drum turning on the dryer, that tells me that the belt's probably broken. So in order to get in here to check, there's 2 screws in here that you want to remove to begin with. They are, you open the door and they're right at the top here. So now that we've got those out, the top is ready to remove. Now that the top is off, we have 2 more bolts we got to remove before we can take this front panel off. They are on the inside of the front of the dryer, 1 in each corner. You can now begin to remove the front panel by tipping it back, but you need to be careful of the door switch wires. Me and another maintenance guy replaced a dryer belt just yesterday, and we may or may not have broken that door switch, so just be careful of that. Wires, you'll see them right there. Before we unhook those door switch wires, we need to make sure we kill the power. Now that we've got the face of the dryer off, we can clearly see what the problem is. There's the belt laying right in the bottom of the dryer. So then you take your new belt and you simply lay it on top of the drum. Just kind of lay it there loosely. Try to make sure that you get rid of as many twists and kinks as you can when you first lay it on there. But as you can see here, it's just laying there, laying on top. Next, we get to crawl under and hook the belt on the motor and the pulleys. That's the fun part. I don't know if I'll be able to record this next part because it's such a tight space, but the dryer belt needs to go behind that white pulley there and come down and get on the pulley there on the motor and then go around the drum. Okay, so hopefully you can see this now. I've got it hooked up. The belt comes from the right side of the drum, across the bottom side of the drum, over top of that white pulley that we saw just a minute ago. Then it goes down around the motor pulley. Then it goes back up on the left side of the drum. Okay, so at this point you're thinking, all right, I can go back together with it. Well, think again, because before you put that front on there, we have some other maintenance, preventative maintenance that we need to do. Take a look at that lint right there. That's inside of the dryer. You want to make sure to pull all that stuff out, because if you don't, it won't be long and you'll be having to run your clothes 2 or 3 times through the dryer and wonder why it's not drying. So get that out of there before you go back together with it. So yeah, there's really not much to a dryer. I mean, what you saw was the belt, the motor, the pulleys. The only thing really left is the heating elements and the controls on the back, and that's it. So if you're a new homeowner and you have anything specific that you want to see me repair, maybe give you a hand with, leave a comment, let me know what it is, and maybe consider subscribing. Anyway, with that, I'll let you put it back together so you can get this thing up and running, and we'll catch you in the next one.